Welcome to GC Reviews. Today we will be reviewing to see what Roblox scripting tutorials you guys should watch to learn scripting quick and easy. So let's review. So the first video we're going to be reviewing is this video by BrawlDev. Just to say, we have a checklist, of course, but already they got the 9th one. Do they have multiple tutorials explaining the topic more in depth? Yes, he does right here. So he'll get a point for that one. But without further ado, let's start this review.
Young little Newbert doesn't know anything about game development, but wants to make his favorite games on the Roblox platform. He reads up on the Roblox documentation to learn how to make a game until he hits a roadblock trying to figure out what the heck a script is and how a game comes together. And as a result of that, he quits on day 1 and probably doesn't have a computer anymore after destroying it out of frustration, and now he can't pursue making the games he's always wanted to make.
I mean, now he can't play Roblox. Bro can't even play Roblox anymore.
Newbert, becoming a Roblox game developer doesn't happen overnight. You'll especially have to put in the time, put in the effort, and face the struggles head on when you don't understand a concept.
That is so true. If someone had told me this before, when I was learning game development, no one told me that it took time, effort, and struggling. No one told me that. I used Alvin Blox's tutorial. He has an okay tutorial, but he deleted the old one. That was pretty good. I'll give him the point. Do they seem to care about the viewers' growth and development? It really does seem like it, but that's gonna be pending for now.
Especially in the world of scripting and programming. In the beginning, it can be very difficult and demotivating to continuously learn how to become a better Roblox scripter when you keep getting faced with error messages and unintended effects in your game. It's a real struggle most beginners face when learning how to script on Roblox, which is why I want to make this playlist to help you reach your goals of making the games that you want to create on Roblox. My name is BrawlDev, and I will be teaching you everything you need to know to become a great Roblox scripter. I've been scripting on Roblox for about 7 to 8 years, and during this time I've made countless projects that just weren't successful. But one thing that
true, that's another thing that is very true. I'm sorry for pausing the video for kind of a lot, but that is true. I have made so many projects, like also Gloomcraft. We have made so many projects and we still haven't finished them. I think we had like a total of like 3 projects, and we have not finished them whatsoever. So he's definitely right about that.
Kept me going throughout all these years was the desire to learn more and actually have an interest in the things I was learning. Even if
that's an important thing as well. You have to have an interest in this. If you do not have any interest in development in Roblox, don't do that. You do what you want to do. Don't do it because it just feels cool to do it. Because then you're taking a spot of another person.
Face challenges when learning new things, especially during times when I was demotivated. And I hope you can adopt the secret
demotivation. You need to get motivation. I'm telling you, you need to get motivation when you create stuff in Roblox. You'll spend hours and hours making ideas, bro. You definitely need motivation. Put some music on or something that motivates you, funk, I don't know, whatever. Put that on and feel like you're in a movie or something. Just feel like you're going to do this,
strategy to go through this journey of becoming a Roblox game developer. As of recording this video, I have 2 playlists ready for you to watch once you finish this beginner's guide, the advanced scripting tutorial guide and the GUI tutorial guide. It's quite a scary journey to go through all these episodes considering how many there are now, but like I mentioned, becoming a Roblox game developer isn't easy. And so I would like to make the journey easier for you by having everything you need to know in these playlists, ranging from the very basics to the advanced concept.
I'm gonna give him the point for do they seem to care about the viewers' growth? Because definitely bro, this guy, he cares about his views. I wouldn't even do this. I'm gonna say myself, Mooncraft will not do this until they got like editors and stuff like that.
And accelerate you to become a pro Roblox scripter and game developer in 2024. And with that being said, let's now go ahead and start making games on Roblox. Alright, so what you see here is the homepage of the software called Roblox Studio. Now this is the software we're going to be using to create our Roblox games so that we can upload them to the Roblox website and so players can actually play your game that's uploaded to Roblox. I'll leave a link to this in the description if you want to download Roblox Studio so that you can log in with your account and then you can be greeted with this same exact home screen just like you're seeing in this video. Now, before we do anything, I encourage you to basically follow exactly what I do step by step so that you can kind of get a feel for how to use Roblox Studio and you're experiencing.
Oh my god, that is such a good tip. I tell the viewer to do exactly the same as them. That is the best tip. One of the best tips you can get at the start of your learning journey. If you have this step, you are definitely going to learn coding. If you do it with the person, you'll start to understand what the code does and what the code is like trying to do in your game.
What I'm teaching you while you follow through with these videos, because just watching me go through these tutorial videos isn't going to be enough to help you learn. So that's why I encourage you to literally do exactly what I do as you watch these videos to follow along and learn from doing it yourself as well. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, once we are here inside of this home screen, Roblox has a bunch of templates that we can choose from as a starter place to start making our Roblox games. For the purpose of this tutorial guide, we're going to use this base plate template right here. I'm just going to click on this, and then what's going to happen is Roblox is going to load in this template that we just selected, and now we are thrown into this world that we can now mess around with to create our Roblox game and upload it onto the platform. Now, there are a couple of things here that I want to introduce to you so that you get a feel for how Roblox Studio works, because that's our goal for this first episode. It's to familiarize ourselves with using Roblox Studio and some of the things that they have to offer. And the first thing I want to show.
I like how he tells the viewer, hey, you're gonna learn this and you're gonna do these things. Because most of the time when I go to like a Roblox tutorial, they don't even tell me what to do. Like they don't even tell me. Like they tell me what to do, but they don't tell me what I'm going to do and what I'm gonna, like in the title they say what I'm gonna learn, but usually I just forget and I'm like, okay, what am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. What is the point of this? So I'll give him the point. Is the video easy to understand? I'll leave that pending because I need to learn. I need to know if he like shows these, maybe examples or stuff like that. And does the content creator complete their promises? That's also on pending because I don't know if he is going to show it. I'm having no bias on this video. I feel like this guy is probably going to show examples and he's probably going to show us how to use Roblox. Okay, so
show you is being able to navigate around this 3D world that you see right here that represents our Roblox game. So I want you to imagine you're playing Roblox on PC. The controls you'd probably use are WASD for the keys and also the mouse as well. So it kind of works the same way here as well. So if we hold W, that's going to move our camera forward. If we hold S, that's going to move our camera backwards. If we hold A, that's going to go left, and then D, that's going to go right. And if we want to move the camera specifically, then what we can do is hold the right mouse button and then drag our mouse around the world so that we can change our camera to face a certain direction. And we can combine these movements together so that we're able to move around Studio as we
see. That took me a while to figure out. And I feel like even with people watching this, they're still gonna have trouble with it because it took a while getting used to. It's pretty quick. It's like the 5th or 4th day using Roblox Studio, you're like, this is easy. I know how to move around like the world. So it's definitely not gonna like, you're maybe gonna do it the first try, but like you're probably gonna forget some keys.
Objective. What I want you to do is basically just continue to experiment with Roblox Studio, either by moving around inside of the workspace or by adding more parts like this. So I'm actually going to go up here and I'm going to insert another part, and we can do whatever we want with it by, I don't know, changing the brick color, changing the size if we select the scale tool just like this, and, you know, things like that. You can even navigate through more settings over here, and that's another great way of familiarizing yourself with Roblox Studio. And once you are done with this learning objective, I want you to go down to the comments of this video and describe what you did for this learning objective so that other people who watch this tutorial can see what other people have been doing, and I think it would just be a really great way to show what everybody else is doing for these challenges. Now, before we end off,
I like that he adds a learning. He's like a teacher, like a professor. Oh no, he's like a 6th grade teacher. He's like, alright guys, I'm gonna give you some homework. Have it due by my next video, and put something in the comments of what you did, so that I can give you 100. Like, I like that. I really like that. Because in ROBLOX, like, when I learned scripting, they did not give me that. That's why it took long. This guy, I like this guy. I really like this guy. This guy, definitely. And I think, well, yeah, and then I think the rest of the videos is him doing random stuff. So, yeah, like, definitely this video is pretty good. I'm gonna give him some other points. He already has, I think, like 3. So I'm gonna give him, can you see what they are doing on screen? Definitely give that 4 points right there. Are they, well, actually I already did that one. Are they presenting what they have stated in the title? Definitely 5 points right there. Let's see. They do not spread misinformation that might confuse the viewer. Definitely not. I have not heard. Everything he said was pretty correct. So I'll give him that one. Let's see. Do they give examples that will help the viewer understand what to do? Definitely 8. Actually, I don't really know if he gave examples. I don't think he really gave any examples, so I'm not going to give that one to him. But is the video easy to understand? 8. Yes. And does the content creator complete their promises? Yes, sir. So he gets a full 9 points. Full 9 points.
Nope.
I didn't watch the full series, but guessing on what he's saying and what he's like already showing the viewer on how Roblox Studio works, I think this one is probably really good for you to learn scripting. But anyways, I'll see you in the next one.